Hey everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am for Lisa, your host for today's video. So I have a quick video and it is again it's actually 6:15 right now. I am just getting off of work. Work has been working, life has been lifing. So I'm jumping on, well, today is Thursday actually. And I'm jumping on to do this quick video. I have a super cute fall table setting, and then I don't know if I've shown you this area of my kitchen that I've done already. I know I put it on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, but I don't think I've shown y'all what I've done over here for fall. If I have, I'm gonna show you again. So let's talk about the table setting. So my table is a transformer table. You can extend this table to sit up to 12 people. You can take these little plaques here off. And I think I want to come in one day and do a video of showing y'all how I can, transform the table. I think I did it maybe once, maybe twice, but I think it's time for me to do another one. So yes, my table is from Transformer Table. I will have a link down below. My chairs are from Amazon. They haven't had the gray with the chrome in a very long time. What I have seen is like the navy blue in the chrome, but I haven't seen the actual, and I've seen the black in the chrome, but I haven't seen the gray in the chrome, which is my favorite color here. Love the chairs, and my placemats are from Z Gallery. It's time for me to change out these placemats because I had them all. I think I've had them on for a couple of months. I just been too lazy to change them out. I don't know what I know what I want to change them out to. So yes, another fall table setting coming up very soon. So these placemats is from Z Gallery, placed from Z Gallery. Neither of these are sold anymore. My napkins are from Amazon. They're super cute, and I think they may come with 6 in a set, I think, but don't quote me on that. I'll have them linked down below. And these crystal candle holders here actually are from Hobby Lobby, and I've had them for a couple of years. And then I have these super cute glasses here, also crystal base. It's from Z Gallery. I've had those for a couple of years as well. Now let's talk about what I really love on the table, which are these crystal candle holders. It came with 12 in a set. It was actually 4 of each size, and I think there are 3 different sizes. This size here, yeah, I would say, is this thing cracked? This size, and then it comes with this size, which is a little shorter, and then it has this size here. And it's 4 in a set, and I love these. I even purchased me some white taper candles to actually do, use them with white. White is so pretty. I want to do like a little dinner party, and I want to set my table outside and with some fresh flowers, real flowers, and I want to use these in that table setting outside. Now I don't remember how I had them. So it comes with 12 in a set, and I only have 8 on here because I only have 8 of these rustic or rust orange or whatever you call it, taper candle holders. The taper candles. So the candle holders are from Amazon. They come in the white, the black, and the glass crystal. My candles are from Hobby Lobby. And they run by battery. I think it's those AAA batteries that you can use. So just imagine if I had, like a sheer chiffon table runner with the actual candle holders and the candles on top of that with some fresh roses. Wouldn't that be beautiful? I want to do that. I want to do that before it gets cold outside. And my pumpkin, this pumpkin I've had for a couple of years as well, probably several years, from Home Goods, and I am using a candle as a riser. Here, that is a candle down there. So let me show you here. See, that's a candle. So you got to get creative. I wanted it to sit up just a tad bit higher, so I set the pumpkin on this candle here, which you would have never known that was a candle if I wouldn't have told you. So yes, I like that. That is really pretty. Then I have my mirror, which is from Rooms to Go, and then I have those wall sconces. Those two wall sconces up there are from the TikTok shop. Then I have a little floor vase over here. This floor vase is actually from Z Gallery. Now it doesn't belong here, but this is where I have it for now. Super cute. I will place a link down below for that. Then I have some branches just sitting in here. I'm not sure where these branches came from. I've had them for several years, but I don't think I've ever used them. But yes. So I'll pan on around here to my refrigerator stove area. My little door handles that I have on my stove and on my appliances are from Amazon, and I will link them down below. And this little towel set as well is also from Amazon. I actually have two sets because I knew we were going to get this one dirty. So I have another set because you see that little stain right there? It's hard to keep stuff clean when you actually live in your house. But anyway, I'd have another set for when that one get dirty. I can just change it out. So I like that. Somebody asked me, what's up with the doubling of the rugs? So I put the black and white one is my original one that I had. And when I put that rust orange or whatever color that is, when I put that down there, you know when you're cooking, when the grease and when different food and stuff is popping off the stove, I'm like, let me go ahead and, you know, for everyday use or everyday wear, I put the black rug back there, and then it's like cushion. So if my husband's standing there cooking, or if I'm standing there cooking, anybody standing there cooking, they can have that cushion rug there. But for the most part, I wouldn't, if I want to take a really cute picture, I probably would take the black and white rug off, but I actually like it. I like it double like that. Yep, I like it just like that. And then I also have the other one double like that on this side of my kitchen over here. And I'm not going to even talk about that side over there because I still have dishes in the sink. I don't want y'all to see my dirty dishes. I'll come back in another video and do a full kitchen tour and talk about that side. So yes, so this is what I have going on here on my first official fall table setting, and I like the simplicity of this table setting. Usually I would have a big vase in the middle or something. Maybe in the next one I'll have a big vase with some flowers or something. But for now, I'm just feeling these candles, this festival of candles. That's what I'm going to call this, a fall festival of candles. That's what I'm going to call this video for today. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.